Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger.
이거 왜 생각이 안 나냐?
Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning kicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor.
Never wished, so we were out to make the static figure.
Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me.
So I started writing songs, I started writing stories.
Something about the glory,
Just always seemed to bore me.
'cause only those I really love will ever really know me.
Once I was 20
Years
years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun, while I was lonely. Once I was 20 years old.